The daily charts even looks better. Look at yesterday's candle. Absolutely beautiful candle. Breaking through to the highs there last night and then giving up slightly. Yes, no problem with that. I love the candle close. Yes, I would have loved it to not have the upper shadow there. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel for another trading day. Today, cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, all those currencies are pushing. Bitcoin actually hitting a new all-time high last night. Fell from there, not much, but it did break through with about $100 and then retracing slightly, which is to be expected. But looking good if you look at the weekly charts. It's pushing now above that levels I was talking about. The daily charts even looks better. Look at yesterday's candle. Absolutely beautiful candle. Breaking through to the highs there last night and then giving up slightly. Yes, no problem with that. I love the candle close. Yes, I would have loved it to not have the upper shadow there, but it's pushing and it's looking good and strong. Ethereum, strong candle this week so far. Look at this weekly candle. Daily yesterday, very strong. So it is pushing. It negotiated this level successfully, pushing upwards, changing the trend. So looking really strong. We just needed to close this weekend in this type of candle, long white candle. Solana pushing, not a great weekly chart yet. If you look at the daily, strong candle there. After the test and the bounce and the test and the bounce, it's actually starting to move now. We need now at least a daily close above this to confirm. Right, otherwise it's just going to hover sideways and we won't like that. XRP, lovely, beautiful candle on the weekly charts. If you look at the daily chart, strong candle yesterday, breaking through all these resistance levels. 1, 2, 3, 4 of them, 5 actually with a shooting star, just blowing these resistance levels to pieces and pushing quite nicely up the page. And then XLM also, beautiful candle now. Look at the sideways range. I got the dailies, I showed you this pattern. We saw the break, and I pointed this out last week. On the break, we had this blue reversal here now, and pushing, strong candle, blowing out all these support or resistance levels for that matter. Strong candle. Yes, it could retrace to retest the halfway marks and the sweet spots and so forth, but at this stage, it looks quite strong and quite promising. The bulls have got the enthusiasm back, it seems. Before we continue, thank you for today's sponsor, Inkasu. Do you struggle with customer queries that takes up all your time? Contact Inkasu to help transform your website customer focus with an integrated AI staff member. For more info, check out the link in the description. Bitcoin Cash, would expect a little bit more from it because it's been the star for quite a while now, but still a strong weekly candle. We just need this to keep pushing. Daily candle disappointing. As I've said a while ago, that maybe people taking profits here and move to other ones, because here you had a 50% gain in a month or two. So it is possible that they've taken profits here and then roll it into some new movers. But Bitcoin Cash still looking good. Weekly charts, just need a little bit of a longer white candle. Chain link pushing on the weekly charts, breaking this 1, 2, 3 on the fourth one. Look at the dailies. Dailies, draw the trend line down. You can move it now there. Unfortunately, MT4 doesn't always do the lines as it should do it. But right there, strong move, strong candles, 2 days in a row. Looking good. Let's hope there for the best. And then we've got Dogecoin. Dogecoin pushing through this level. We had this lateral support resistance level. It's pushing through now. Dailies, strong candle yesterday. That's what I like. We had this consolidation and now a strong breakout. We started to see the bullishness coming in here on this candle, and now it's pushing through, breaking all these resistance levels. So let's hope that can run also. Uniswap, strong candle this week so far. Daily, beautiful, absolutely beautiful, blasting through these levels. Just leave the bears behind. So any shorts are starting to get stopped out. They're doing a liquidity run on the short side of things. Bear squeeze, and so yeah, let's see now. I don't know what's going to happen. So it looks good, wants to go bullish it seems, and I'm very positive on what I see at present, but we'll see by Monday morning. Cardano pushing on the weeklies. Dailies now at last breaking through this sideways range here at the bottom, breaking these support levels. That's becoming resistance. Strong candle yesterday, very excited about this. Litecoin also pushing, not that great. We go back to the daily charts here, and you see this falling trend line. I marked these 2 lines, but still Strong candle yesterday. Very keen on that. But I need the weeklies to close on the longer white bar on Sunday night. Polka dot battle still. Looks like a nice candle, but we still have this big support level in the structure coming in here. If you look at the daily candles, it still can't push through. Yes, nice approach, love it, but I would like to see it close on the other side of that falling trend line. But guys, trading isn't just about my insights. Please follow the comments below this video. You can support this channel by checking out all the links in the description. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Remember that trading carries risks. Don't forget, trade responsibly and never ever trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Can't wait to see my next video. Until then, trade